Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I was able to come up with this beautiful gorgeous hairstyle using braiding hair. Yes, I mean using braiding KANEKALON hair. So yeah, if you're interested, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so these are the things that we'll need for this hair. I'm going to be using two different types of wig cap, stocking cap, whatever you call it. So the first one is this net like one that is very good for crochet, but I'm going to put a stocking cap on top because the first one is just very flimsy and it can tear easily. So I'm just going to put the second one just to, you know, make it a little bit stronger. And yeah, so like I said, the hair I'm going to be using for this hairstyle is braiding hair, and I'm going to be using this one here. You are free to use any kind of braiding hair that you want. So I went ahead and cut the hair into two equal parts, and yeah, that's what I'm showing you guys there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take one part and further cut it into two, because I don't want this hair to be too long. It's going to be kind of like you know, not even up to the shoulder. I want it to be like a shorter hairstyle. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and feather it out a little bit. After that is done, I'm going to comb it out and just make sure it's smooth. And all you need is your crochet pin, and we're going to go ahead and make this hair. So yeah, I'm just going to put my crochet pin through the net and, you know, take a little bit of hair. The size of the hair is also honestly you know, up to you, whatever size you want to use, and make sure they were not too big and they were not too small. So kind of in the medium, I should say medium size. I'm just going to go ahead and start crocheting this hair onto this wig cap. Now you are not going to put the pin through, you know, single holes on the cap, because that is going to make you put too many hair on the wig cap. So you're going to be leaving some space. Sometimes I put my crochet pin through like 3 different holes at once, you know. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing. I presume that everybody knows how to crochet, so I'm just going to go ahead and crochet this hair. I'm not going to be talking too much. I'll just let you guys to enjoy. So but yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and crochet this hair all through this hair, the wig cap, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I am almost done crocheting the hair onto the wig cap. Now we're going to move on to the next step, which is going to be curling the hair. So before that, I went ahead and did a little bit of test. I tried the PEM rod and also the what is it called, the flexi rod and the PEM rod. Yeah, so the one to the right hand side is the flexi rod and the one to the left is the PEM rod. So I did this test to see what curls I would like better, so I think I'm going to go with the flexi rod one because it is a little bit you know, the curls are a little bit tighter, and I just love how bouncy it was. So yeah, what I'm going to do here is that I'm just going to go ahead and pick 3 to 4 hair and, you know, twist it very well. You want to make sure that you twist it so that your curls can be smooth, and then wrap it around this flexi rod, sorry, the PEM rod, and you know, secure it in place. That is just all I'm doing. If you have ever used a PEM rod, then you know how this is done. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. So I'll take like 2 to 3 hair. I did not show that part, but I will comb it out to make the hair smooth, and then I'll go ahead and, you know, twist it around. You know, the twisting part is just going to help your curls to be smooth. You really want to twist it, because if you don't, your curls are not going to be smooth at all. You're not going to like it. That is just the truth. So yeah, this is what I have done so far. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing with the remaining hair that I have left. Okay guys, so I am almost done, you know, curling my hair now. So I used a little bit of the white ones because I ran out of the purple ones. The white ones are a little bit smaller, which is why I prefer to use the purple ones. So yeah, this is what I have, and this is the remaining hair that I had left. I only used 1 pack of the, you know, the braiding hair. So yeah, next I'm going to go ahead and dip this hair into hot, boiling hot water, and you know, just let it dry overnight. And yeah, okay guys, so it's the next day and my hair is completely dry. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and take the PEM rod out. When doing this, you have to be patient, you have to be careful, because you don't want to make the hair very, you know, if you're not careful with it, you're going to end up with frizzy hair. So yeah, I'm just going to carefully take out the PEM rods, and after that I will also, you know, try to separate the hair the way I crocheted them. I did not separate the curls, I just took out the hair, you know, like, because when I was curling the hair, I curled like 3 to 4 hair at once. So what I did was I just make sure I separated them. I did not separate the curls. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain there. So yeah, that is just what I'm doing. I'm just going to go ahead and start separating the hair, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of, you know, trim just to shape the hair a little bit. And yeah, but yeah, before I separate the hair, yeah, I did use a little bit of oil. I rubbed my hands with oil. That is just going to help, you know, reduce the amount of frizziness that I would have gotten if I did not use it. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. Okay guys, so now that I'm done separating the hair, like I said, I'm just going to give a little bit of trim. I tried to give my hair a little bit of bangs, but you know, because I'm not putting it on my hair immediately, so I tried not to do it too much so I don't overdo it. I'm really sorry that I did not try this hair on. The reason behind that is because I currently have braids, like most of you know, and I have not taken that braids out, so there was no way I would have tried on this week. But I promise in a future video I'm going to try to make sure I try on this wig so that you guys can see what it looks like. But you guys, can you see this curls? Can you just see it? Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm going to make sure to bring you guys more affordable hairstyles like this, so please, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, like this video, comment. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.